What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and today I'm up in Laporte, Colorado, and we are doing some drone racing. So today I'm flying my Ditone GTV 229. I did also bring my 5-inch, my Proton as well, just in case, but I have been, for the most part, most of the day, flying my little guy. So I'm pretty impressed with how it's doing on the track. Took a little bit for me to get used to it, but other than that, not too bad. So we are spread apart. We're doing our social distancing thing. Got masks in case we need to go talk to anybody. But other than that, we are doing good. And I got the little fan that I showed you guys the other day. I got this off Amazon. This thing is awesome. So when I got the goggles on, the little bit of wind that comes off of this thing really does help keep you cool. So yeah, pretty impressed. So doing so far, you know, it's not super fast, but it's more about the consistency, and this thing really does a good job. You know, I'm really happy with it so far. Only gone through one set of props because I hit the hit the gate going forward, but other than that, it's holding solid.